In this video, we will cover various tray accessories to help you customize your shaking experience. Safety first. Power down and unplug your shaker before installing accessories. Want to customize your shaking experience? The universal harness is ideal for low-profile plates. Use the short bands to secure samples under the tray corner or stretch the long bands diagonally for extra hold. Install the center post thumb screw, hand tighten it, and place your sample on the tray. Stretch the short band under the tray corner, over your sample, and onto the center post. Place your sample, stretch the long band diagonally over it, and secure it to the opposite corner.